What if I told you that in the next 90 days, you could completely transform your life, not with luck, not with connections, not with expensive equipment, but with a system that is already working for thousands of people right now, quietly, consistently, and very profitably, every single day. Billions of hours of content are consumed on YouTube. People wake up, open their phones, and start watching. Some are entertained. Some are educated. Some are distracted. But a very small percentage of people are building something. They are building channels. They are building audiences. They are building income. And the biggest difference between them and everyone else is simple. They understand how YouTube actually works. Because here's the truth. YouTube is not a platform. It's a system. And once you understand that system, everything changes. Most people start a YouTube channel with excitement. They upload their first video, maybe their second, sometimes even their third. But when views don't come, when the numbers stay low, they quit. Not because they are incapable, but because they don't understand the game. And if you don't understand the rules of the game, you can't win. So let's break it down. At its core, YouTube is only one goal. Keep people on the platform for as long as possible. That's Italiano. Everything else, views, subscribers, recommendations comes. After that, so if your video helps YouTube achieve that goal, YouTube rewards you. If your video fails to keep people watching, YouTube ignores you. Simple, but powerful. This is where most creators fail. They focus on what they want to say instead of what people want to watch. Because on YouTube, attention is currency. And if you can capture attention and hold it, you win. So how do you do that? It starts with understanding human psychology. People don't click because they need information. They click because they feel curiosity. Curiosity is the trigger. It's the invisible force that makes someone stop scrolling. And if your title or thumbnail don't create curiosity, your video will never be watched. This is why your title and thumbnail are not decoration. They are your first impression, and first impressions decide everything. Now imagine this. A person is scrolling through YouTube. They see dozens of videos. Why would they click yours? That is the question you must answer before you create anything. Not after, before. Because viral videos are not accidents. They are engineered. They are designed to attract attention. Titles that create mystery. Thumbnails that create emotion. Ideas that feel impossible to ignore. This is the foundation. But clicking is only the beginning. Once someone clicks your video, the real challenge begins. Because now you have to keep them watching. And the most important moment of your video is the first 5 seconds. If you waste those 5 seconds, you lose the viewer. If you start slow, if you introduce yourself, if you say something predictable, they leave. And when they leave, YouTube notices. So your hook must be powerful. It must create tension. It must create curiosity. It must make the viewer feel like, I need to know what happens next. Now, let's go deeper. Keeping someone for 5 seconds is easy. Keeping them for 5 minutes, that's the real challenge. This is where storytelling becomes your strongest weapon. Most creators think they need to give information, but information alone is not enough. Information without structure is boring, but information wrapped in a story is addictive. So instead of dumping facts, you guide the viewer through a journey. You ask questions. You delay answers. You build curiosity. You create a flow where every few seconds, something new happens. A new idea. A new perspective. A new reason to keep watching. Because the moment your video becomes predictable, people get bored. And boredom kills retention. And retention controls everything. Now let's talk about consistency. This is where most people fail before they even begin. They upload once, twice, maybe a few times. But YouTube doesn't reward effort. It rewards patterns. The more you upload, the more data YouTube collects about your content. It learns who to show your videos to. It learns what works. It learns what doesn't. So your first 90 days are not about perfection. They're about volume. You need to upload consistently. Again and again. Even when views are low. Even when no one is watching. Because every video is a step closer to understanding the system. Think of it like this. Each video is an experiment. Some experiments fail, some give average results, and some change everything. But you will never reach that one winning video if you stop too early. Now let's talk about something very important. Improvement. Uploading alone is not enough. You must improve with every video. Study your analytics. Where do people leave your video? What part worked best? Because your audience is giving you feedback every second. You just have to pay attention. And once you identify what works, you double down on it. You repeat Italiano. You refine Italiano. You make it better. This is how small channels become big channels. Not by guessing, but by learning. Now comes monetization. Making money on YouTube is not a mystery, but it does require patience. To get monetized, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. At first, this might seem difficult, but when you understand retention and consistency, it becomes achievable. Because one good video can bring thousands of hours of watch time, and once you cross that threshold, everything changes. Your content becomes an asset. A video you upload today can generate views for months, even years. But ads are just the beginning. Smart creators don't rely on one source. They diversify. Affiliate marketing, sponsorships, digital products. Now imagine this. 90 days from now you wake up, check your phone, and see your video gaining thousands of views. Your subscriber count is growing. Your watch time is increasing. And for the first time, your content is working for you. This is not a dream. This is a process. But only for those who stay consistent long enough. Because the hardest part of YouTube is not creating content. It's continuing when nothing happens. That is the moment most people quit. And that is exactly why they never succeed. Because success on YouTube is delayed. But when it comes, it compounds. One video leads to another. One idea leads to growth. One breakthrough changes everything. So if you're serious about this, you need to commit. Not for a week, not for a month, but for the process. Because YouTube rewards those who understand one thing: how to keep people watching. And if you master that skill, you don't just grow a channel. You build something powerful, something that works for you every single day. So the question is not, can you do it? The real question is, will you stay long enough to succeed? Because the opportunity is real. The system is proven. And the only missing piece is you. Now it's time to take action. Create, upload, improve, repeat. If you want more content like this, support the channel. Like this video, drop a comment, and subscribe because this is just the beginning.